Hyundai is reportedly set to begin mass production of its next-generation Palisade later this year, accelerating the model's timeline by around a month. The new Palisade, codenamed LX3, was originally set to enter production in January 2025, but it's now been brought forward to December 2024 to address the growing demand for hybrid vehicles, according to the Korean car blog. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade is poised to continue Hyundai's tradition of delivering a well-rounded, family-friendly SUV with a mix of luxury, practicality, and technology. While specifics can vary as details get finalized and more information becomes available. Expect the 2025 Palisade to feature a refreshed design that builds on the current model's bold and upscale aesthetic. This could include a more aggressive front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and refined body lines. Hyundai has been known for its stylish design language, so updates might give the Palisade a modern and premium look. The interior of the 2025 Palisade is likely to be even more refined, with high-quality materials and advanced features. Expect enhancements in seating comfort, with possibly more premium options and customizable configurations. Advanced climate control, ambient lighting, and improved infotainment systems could be standard or available upgrades. Korean outlet ET News earlier this year reported the new Palisade will instead offer a choice of a turbocharged 2.5-liter hybrid 4-cylinder powertrain and a 3.5-liter turbo V6, in lieu of the current 2.2-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder and 3.8-liter petrol V6. The report also noted there will be two types of hybrid, which could indicate the Palisade will follow the smaller Santa Fe in gaining both conventional and plug-in hybrid systems.